He's got two of them.
Always keep the light side. And keep the chart.
Pull it in there, James. There he goes. Bring it over here.
Come on.
Crank it, James. Crank it.
Keep the chart. It's easy for you. I got it.
It's got to go.
Right.
That's it.
There you go, James.
Oh, bird's nest. That's a biggie.
Keep reeling her in, James.
Well, we didn't. Oh, he's jumping. Yeah.
There he is.
Oh, yeah, look.
Very fast.
He's way out there.
That's dinner. I don't know, it might be breakfast.
You got it, James.
Oh, yeah, that's a good fish. Look! Oh! Whoa! That's about 20 pounder. Beautiful looking fish.
Still.
Oh!
Big. Hot seat.
Keep tight. Keep tight. If you don't keep tight, you don't want to fish.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good fish.
How nice is that fish, Bucks? Is it looking good?
Look, that's beautiful. Oh! You don't want to come in though.
Not slow. Very fast.
Nice fish, eh? What's that, a mahi? Yeah.
What do you think, Stu? That's what we caught in Cabo. It's a Dorado.
Sit up. Oh!
Oh yeah!
It's a snapper! Yeah! Hey Pepe, well done.
Yeah.
Well done, man.
Can I see him one more time?
No, not now.
No?